Access to essential medicines is seriously problematic for almost 1/3 of the world population. The price of many modern medicines is unaffordable to the majority of those in need, especially in less developed countries. The turning point took place as early as 1997. minapharm made a calculated risk investment decision to establish a European biotech joint venture on Egyptian soil for the research, development and manufacture of genetically engineered products for Egypt and the Middle East. Egypt's minapharm has now 3 subsidiaries in Cairo and Berlin with 6 facilities.
We have ProBiogen headquartered here in Berlin, renowned for their cell line development. Then we have minapharm, known already in the region that they can produce and commercialize biosimilars. And then we have Migentra, which basically was built from both parents. It's always the first step, Egypt, then the MENA region, and then total Africa. Migentra, ProBiogen, minapharm, the whole minapharm group really stands out towards others, and that is a setup that in the foreseeable future cannot be replicated.
minapharm's core strategy is to be at the forefront of the latest technologies. The first pillar is our pharma business. minapharm built strategic multi-alliances with global partners in Europe, the US, and Japan to in-license and transfer advanced technologies. This enabled us to localize and provide high-end branded products in an affordable way to the Egyptian market in multiple medical specialties. The second pillar is our biotech business. We established Egypt's first biopharmaceutical manufacturing facilities and R&D platform to develop and manufacture therapeutic recombinant proteins from the cell line all the way to the finished product, allowing significant cost reduction.
minapharm is the only end-to-end manufacturer of genetically engineered products in the region, starting from the seeding cell via the fermentation process to the purification and full characterization of the API, the active pharmaceutical ingredient, followed for completion by filling and packaging of the drug product. This strategy of backward integration positions minapharm very well as a leading player for complex genetic engineered medicines.
During product development, proprietary scientific solutions are integrated into the manufacturing process of our genetically engineered drugs. This circumvents affordability challenges. Immunotherapy was a paradigm shift in cancer treatment and involves using genetically engineered medicines to redirect the immune system towards killing cancer cells. We are also leveraging our proprietary technologies to bridge into the more recent paradigm shift of cell and gene therapy. This involves genetically reprogramming patient immune cells outside of their body to target cancer cells, and then re-infusing them back into the patient. Here we unite with world-leading academic institutions to accelerate and elevate the availability and affordability of cell and gene therapies for patients who would otherwise not have access to these costly therapies for decades to come.
minapharm was the first Egyptian company introducing recombinant products to clinical stages in the European Union. The successful completion of the clinical developments demonstrate that the minapharm R&D team meet the quality requirements for complex recombinant protein development in Europe and assures us that local companies from Africa can compete with highest international standards. Our most recent EU standard facility in Cairo is designed and operates as a facility of the future. It's our second biological API facility in Egypt and the largest of its kind in the Middle East and Africa. It allows for tens of thousands of liters of fermentation capacity, securing the development and manufacturing of current and future pipeline products for our region and even beyond.
ProBiogen supports minapharm's biosimilar development for the MENA region, particularly very cell line development and early process development, so it's a win-win situation. The pharma industry faces intense cost and innovation pressure, and our strategy to offer intelligence solutions by using our proprietary technologies to either improve product quality or even process efficiency is a way to overcome these challenges.
ProBiogen has built its reputation as a recognized contract development and manufacturing organization. We can, on the one hand, shorten the time required to bring pharmaceutical products to the market, and on the other hand, handle increasingly complex molecules via robust manufacturing processes and advanced analytics. ProBiogen has established quality standards and compliance measures in place to ensure adherence to regulatory requirements, minimizing compliance-related risks.
Every new biologic drug starts with discovery phase. It continues with development. Stable version of a molecule needs to be defined. A cell line must be developed. Fermentation and purification process has to be set up. For human application, the protein, antibody or virus must be manufactured according to good manufacturing practice guidelines. These steps require specialized knowledge and a lot of creativity. In total, it takes approximately 10 years to bring a new pharmaceutical to the market. With our daughter company Megentra, we aim to bring biosimilars to Africa and expect to be the very first to develop a complex CAR-T cell therapy in Africa.
At minapharm, we have more than 2,000 employees from different age groups, backgrounds, genders, qualifications, and nationalities. Patients that we cannot serve and cannot address with our medicines, we serve via our corporate social responsibility. In an untraditional approach, we developed and operate Hospice Egypt to serve terminally ill patients. We believe that giving back to the community is a virtuous circle in which engaged employees are enriched by volunteering opportunities that encourage them to innovate further.
minapharm's atypical business model portrays an aggregate bimodal complex technology hub. One mode provides pioneering proprietary technologies to globally advance biotechnology for the benefit of the entire human race. The second mode, in parallel, exploits the same technologies to make modern therapies accessible to unprivileged patients in the region. To be able to elevate the therapeutic access to new complex medicine for privileged and unprivileged patients alike, whilst in developed markets across the globe, potentially groundbreaking medicines are in an advanced development phase using minapharm's technologies, may sound like a genuine paradox, but generates transient moments of transcendence, lifting one's feelings above the hustle and bustle of daily life.